Ryan, thank you so much. Now to what will go down as a truly historic day for America and our fight against COVID-19. Millions of doses of the Pfizer vaccine delivered to hospitals today all across the country. The very same day, the U.S. passed 300,000 total coronavirus deaths, the highest death toll anywhere in the world. From California to New York, healthcare workers rolled up their sleeves literally for the first round of these long-awaited shots. It all comes just 11 months after the U.S. reported its first case, a medical milestone that has not ever been achieved before in the history of this country. NewsNation correspondent Marky Martin live for us in Dallas tonight. Marky, of course, we have a long road ahead, several months left in this, but no denying that today we have crossed a critical hurdle today in getting American life back up and running.
Rob, it was a historic day for science and humankind. We are witnessing what is hopefully the beginning of the end. And you know, so much of the resounding feedback that we're seeing and we're getting today is from folks saying, I never expected to get emotional watching people get vaccinated. But as you know, it has been a long and difficult road to getting to where we are today. And now hospitals nationwide received their first vaccines and their first shipments this morning. And the first vaccinations are officially underway. It's the precious cargo we never knew the world would need, getting a speedy delivery just in time for Christmas. Nearly 3 million doses of the newly approved Pfizer vaccine making its way by plane and highway into the open arms of frontline workers across America.
Let's do this.
In Texas, Methodist Dallas Medical Center was one of the first 4 sites in the state to receive its initial round.
That's 5,000 doses right there. That's enough to get you one.
At UW Health in Madison, Wisconsin, no time was wasted between arrival and departure to the deep freezers. Eager eyes watching as cardboard and dry ice ripped away to reveal tiny vials of the world's most powerful prescription. And to the moment we've all been waiting for. The sole sound of feverishly shuttering cameras leading up to this critical care nurse becoming the first in New York to receive the COVID vaccine. Met by deep relief of applause and praise from onlooking Governor Andrew Cuomo.
You didn't flinch. I take it that Dr. Chester has a good touch.
She has a good touch, and it didn't feel any different from taking any other vaccine.
The historic news coming just as the United States neared 300,000 COVID deaths on Monday. Dr. Deborah Birx, the White House Coronavirus Task Force coordinator, calling it an exciting day to see science translated from bench to bedside, and a smart move to have healthcare workers go first.
They're working tirelessly. They're taking the vaccine first. Everybody will see that there's no substantial long-term consequences to that vaccination, and then getting it to the long-term care providers.
And I'm standing outside one of only 4 sites across the state of Texas today to receive the COVID vaccine. A lot of buzz and excitement here, but a lot of people watching this wondering, well, what about me? When is it my turn? Did want to share with you that today in an interview, U.S. Secretary of Health and Human Services Alex Azar said that by February he expects 100 million arms to be vaccinated, and by March that's when he predicts it will be kind of like the flu program when anybody within the general public can go and get one themselves.